making vanilla cupcakes or vanilla muffins, and we are going to need 6 ingredients. So for the flour, it's 230 grams or 2 cups. The baking powder is 1 tablespoon. The sugar is 150 grams or 1 cup. The butter or margarine is also 150 grams or 1 cup. The vanilla essence is 1 tablespoon, this tablespoon, and that's all. You may also add in a blend of lemon. You grate the lemon peels into the dough once you're done. Yeah, no squishing, just grating. You can also add cinnamon powder just to spice up the flavor. Yeah, and that's it. So we have everything we need: flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla essence, which can be substituted with lemon or cinnamon, and we have our measuring or weighing equipment. We have the kitchen weighing scale, 1 tablespoon and 1 cup. This is where we mix the bowl and the whisk, and then this is where we put our dough or our butter for baking, and that's it. Set it aside. So we are going to do 2 by 2 as we mix. So 2 eggs, and then I prefer after you add a few eggs, just add some vanilla essence. And then continue mixing. We add the main eggs, and then